Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Code with Surya Official. In this video, we are going to learn the three main parts of web development, that is front-end, back-end and full-stack development. We will also take a quick look at the three core languages of web, HTML, CSS and JavaScript, the building blocks of every website. So let's start with front-end. Front-end development is also called as client-side development. It involves everything the user sees and interact with on a website, like buttons, images, forms, and layout. It uses three main technologies like HTML to create the content and structure, CSS to design the look and feel, and the JavaScript to add interactivity. So, whatever you can see and click on the screen, that is front end. Now let's move to the back end. It is also called as server-side development. The backend handles everything that runs behind the scenes, such as server that responds to requests, databases that store information, logic that makes the application work. Backend developers use programming languages like Python, PHP, Java, Node.js, and many more. They also work with databases like MySQL, MongoDB, SQL Server, and many more. When you log in, save the data, upload the files, or make a payment, that is all handled by the backend. And finally, we have full stack development. A full stack developer works on both the front end and the back end. They build the complete system, what users see, and how it all works in the background. Full stack developers have a wide range of skills and are often in high demand. Now, let's look at the three core technologies every front-end developer starts with: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Let's start with HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It gives the structure to the web page. For example, it creates headings, paragraphs, images, and links. Think of it as the skeleton of a web page. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. It controls the visual look like colors, font, layout, and spacing. CSS makes your website look clean, beautiful, and professional. JavaScript. JavaScript adds interactivity to your website. It helps you do things like show pop-up, open menus, validation forms, or update content without reloading the page. Imagine a girl without makeup, that's like HTML. She is there but plain. When she puts on makeup, that is like CSS. Now she looks styled and nice. Then when she smiles and moves with expression, that is JavaScript. It adds life and makes everything more engaging. Together, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript are the foundation of every modern website. So now you understand the difference between front-end, back-end, and full-stack development, and you have been introduced to the three core languages of front-end, that is HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. In this course, we will start with front-end development step by step and build real websites using HTML and CSS. So this is all about this video, and if you found this video really helpful, then don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Code with Surya Official, and check out for the full playlist for the complete HTML and CSS course. Thanks for watching, keep learning and happy coding. See you in the next video.